I just want to teach you some tricks with this with SIM card, how you can get a free internet connection on any SIM card and anywhere you go. So in my other tutorial, I've made so many tutorials on how you can get a free internet connection on SIM card. So here is another one to explain to you, to show you how this thing works. So here we have a structure of a SIM, and we are talking about the structure of this SIM. So this is the structure. So if you are using this SIM card, note that this SIM card has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 portion on it, or 8 partition on it. So if you have been following my tutorial, you have been watching my tutorial, you hear me talking about 16. When I talk about 16, I mention is this type of SIM. Yes, 16, but on this other one, is the structure is 8 position, is all 8 partition. So this SIM card is connected. So on this other SIM card, the chip is here. We have another one here. We have this one here. We have this one here. It's always at the center. And we have this other one here. So on this portion, there is no chip there. There is nothing here and here. So the chip is just one. It's just starting from this number 1. This center from here to here is 1, 2, 3. Then number 4, 5, and 6. Note that here and here there is not chip here, and there is no chip here. So here this thing is connected. This one it connect here. This one connect here. This one here. This one connect there, and this other one is connected. So that is how each portion of the SIM, this is how they are connected to the center here. So this center here control all of this part here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part here control all of the SIM here. So if you want to say you want to have this SIM to have a free internet connection, then you need to go and buy 8 of this thing. You need to go and buy 8 of this thing for you to have this very type of SIM. But if you are using but this type of SIM, which is this one, then you need 6. If you are using this one, which is this one, then you need 8 of the SIM to make it work. So when you take the first thing, make sure you scratch a portion on the scene. Take the second one, you scratch this portion. You take the third one, you scratch this portion. You take the fourth one, you scratch this portion. You take the fifth thing, you scratch this portion. Take the sixth, you scratch this portion. The seventh, you scratch this portion. The eighth, you scratch this portion. Take note that you need to scratch just one portion out of the scene. Don't go and start scratching this one, scratching this one. Maybe you scratch this one and this one is not working. You go and scratch this other one, it's not working. You keep on scratching this one, going all around. That is not how it works. You just need to scratch just a portion on a scene. Don't go and scratch two portions on the same scene. That one it would never go. Or crash the whole of the scene. It would not work that way. So you need to have 8 of the scene, and you make sure you scratch just one single portion on a scene. Don't go and scratch 2, 3, or 4. No, just scratch just one portion out of the scene. So in my other video, I have been teaching you how you can do this. So if you have any problem, you have any comment, you can contact me, or you can just drop your comment below. Make sure you share this video with your friends, with your family, people. Go and try and see how you can have a free internet connection. So each of the portion, so this thing they work in different ways. Each of the portion on this thing work different things. So the one of this portion on this thing is to power on the scene so that the scene can communicate with the phone. Then the second part of the scene is the second part of the scene, which I'm not giving you that this one is the first or this one is the second. All these parts on this thing, they have their own work, they have their own type of work that they carry. So one portion out of this 8 is used to power on the SIM card. Another portion on the SIM card is to save your data information on the SIM. Then the another part is working as the country code, carry the country information and the country security code. Another part function as the service provider that connect your phone to the service provider. So that is the part that we are looking to scratch. So when you get the part of the service, the part that is connecting you to the network service, then that is the part that will give you free internet connection on any SIM card, no matter where you are situated, where you are located. Make sure that before you are doing something, make sure you have to take the SIM card that you are using and make sure you count the number of portions that are on the SIM, because there are SIM which are having more than 12 portions on the SIM. So if your SIM card is having 12 portions, go and buy 12 of the SIM. If your SIM is having 10 portions of the SIM, go and buy 10 of the SIM. So if you go and buy 6, it will not work. If you buy 8, it will not work. Count the number of portions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go in for the 8th SIM. So if it is 6, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go in for 6. So if your own is 10, you go in for the 10. Don't go and try to do shortcuts to do something that you will not work very soon. You start disturbing people. So in the next video, I will be teaching you how you can use a single SIM and you have a free internet connection on that same SIM. So guys, I just want you to share this video. Make sure you subscribe and wait for the next video, how you can use a single SIM and have free internet connection on that SIM. So guys, stay tuned. See you in my next video. God bless you. Stay blessed.